Welcome to my channel.
We are going to Sóller from Valdemorosa by bus. This costs us €9 for us. Very experienced to go by bus. You must visit one day to Sóller, especially going by bus. And the shaking as well. Very interesting. Wow. I am filming from the bus, so difficult. Sorry for the shake. Wow, going up. Wow. That's the bus stop now. Wow, beautiful place. Every minute I'm enjoying. I never ever gone like this in my life, but very interesting. Little bit scared, but it's okay, I can manage. First time in my life going by bus, driving like this, very interesting. I can manage, I think. Wow, 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 wow. The bus is going fast as well, very interesting. Good experience as well. Wow, going up. You must go to Sóller by bus. You will love it. And good experience as well. Oh my God. Beautiful landscape. Everybody is cool in this bus apart from me. Because first time I'm traveling like this. On this hill. Fast road. Wow, going up. Wow, very interesting going by bus to Sóller. Very experience, good experience. Sóller. Some people say Sóller, some people say Sóller. I don't know which one is correct. Wow. Bus is shaking. It's not easy to filming from the bus. Very interesting. Wow, wow, wow.
I can see the olive trees again going up.
I can't believe myself. Olive trees everywhere. Famous for growing here. We are reaching Sóller now.
Again going up.
It takes us to reach 45 minutes there.
Welcome to Sóller.
So we are going to Sóller now. Sóller Town Center. Oh, Sóller. I don't know. I think this is church bell. Wedding ceremony going on in the church. Sóller city is packed with tourists everywhere. Hello lots of coffee shops and restaurants in front of the church.
You can relax and have a nice cup of coffee there.
It is a beautiful small city. Old tall buildings and narrow streets. Paths are made of cobbles. We are going to catch the tram to go to Port de Sóller. It costs €8 per person. Now we are passing the Sóller center now. Tram comes every half an hour. Very relaxing tram journey and seeing lots of beautiful places and the sceneries.
Welcome to Port de Sóller.
Wow, this is just one of the prettiest island.
Vabbè, io ho controllato quando sono organi si sta più per le sai, poi per un po' per fare ja sai che sta fontosina, si sta lì da cielo. Ja come sta avanti, per un po' di niente così.
It is very tourist place. It's lovely weather today. People are enjoying themselves. Some of them are swimming. I think pack of tourists here. Tram comes every half an hour. It's a beautiful place to come and enjoy yourself.
Pour revenir en France, oui, oui. Mais bon, qui c'est qui te fait faire le test là?
Beautiful beach there. People are having fun. Lovely place to come and relax. Tram comes every half an hour. Now I am looking at Tramontana Mountain. Just spectacular. Soya famous fresh seafood. Why don't you try? Indian restaurant for spicy lovers over here.
If you like my program, please write some comments and subscribe. Thank you.